Dancehall hitmaker Skeng continues to make waves on the music scene. The artist, along with his producers John Coop and Shako the Truth, have inked a deal with G-Jam Music. G-Jam also recently signed a global deal with Downtown Music Services, which will see the New York-based company providing music publishing, administration and services for Skeng, Shako and Coop, as well as G-Jam's existing catalog and its existing roster of writers and producers. The music company, which is headquartered in Jamaica, includes the premier G-Jam Studios in Port Antonio. It is headed by hotel mogul John Baker, who first opened the recording facility in 1998. Skeng boasts a catalog of hits such as Protocol with Tommy Lee Sparta, Heaven Passport with Intense, and Street Cred, among others. John Coop, whose real name is Malik Miller, is well known for his work with Skeng, Rain Like Heel, Burp and Up With Them, and Jash's Keep Up. Skeng is scheduled to take the stage at Alkaline's New Rules concert. Popular music producer DJ Khaled is back in Jamaica and is currently in album mode. Khaled took to social media where he shared a slew of photos and videos with dancehall and reggae heavyweights that are set to be a part of the anticipated project. The award-winning producer has also been in the studio with Skillibeng, Butcher Banton and Capleton. According to DJ Khaled, he is working on something special for this new album. Last night, Khaled was also spotted with track star Usain Bolt and dancehall artist Shano in Kingston.
They ain't believe in us.
God did.
God did. You see that Usain Bolt? Kingston, what up? They ain't believe in us. God did.
Me alone in the dark room. I'm not nobody to talk to. Just me, myself, and I and my shadow.
DJ Khaled has yet to share details about the upcoming project. The veteran DJ currently boasts 12 studio albums and has featured A-list international artists such as Kanye West, Beyonce, Jay-Z, Drake, Mary J. Blige, Rick Ross, Lil Wayne, and Justin Bieber. News broke earlier today that U.S. singer R. Kelly has been sentenced to 30 years after he was found guilty of sex trafficking and racketeering. U.S. District Judge Ann Donnelly imposed the sentence after hearing from several survivors who attested to how Kelly's exploitation reverberated across their lives. R. Kelly has been in custody since he was convicted by federal prosecutors in New York and Chicago in July 2019. Following his sentencing, Kelly is scheduled to stand a trial in August in Chicago on federal child pornography and obstruction of justice charges. Back in 2008, the artist was acquitted of child pornography charges. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for ePrime.